Hey guys, this is the first video in a tutorial where we're going to make the plant communicator in the Arduino Maker 1000 Internet of Things kit. Arduino have 5 of their own activities, as you can put it, for their Arduino. And the plant communicator is the first one. Now I'm going through this one first, as it's the easiest, so it'll be the easiest for me to make a tutorial for and for you guys to understand. There are going to be a few things we're going to do in this video. The first one we're going to do is set up an online tool called Zapier. And this manages APIs that the Arduino can't handle itself. And this is what we're going to need for connectivity to the internet. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now, and then we're going to move on to the next step. So what we need to do is go to the Zapier website. Now, I've already logged in and made an account, and I've got 2 that I've tested. All you need to do is go to the website and sign up with your email and username. It's totally free, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So we're going to create a new one. So we want to come here and click make a zap, and what we need to search is webhooks. So webhooks by Zapier, and choose a trigger event, and we want catch hook and continue. So we've got our custom URL, which you're going to copy. You'll need that very soon. And then we're going to need to enter our fields here, which Arduino tell us, and Arduino tell us that our fields are temperature, moisture, light, and warning. And we click continue. We don't need to do the testing, so we can skip test. We'll do whatever we need to test ourselves. So now that's done when it comes back to that page. So what we want to do is open a new tab, paste what we just copied, and don't click enter yet. We go back to Arduino website, and it gives us this. It gives us this information. This is the URL we're given, so we don't copy that part. We copy from the question mark and enter based on the parameters we entered just now: temperature, moisture, light, and warning. And we'll paste that at the end of that and click enter. And it says our status is a success, and it's an attempt, and then it's got this code, ID, request ID, whatever. That's what we wanted, so we've succeeded there. The next step is setting up the board. Now we need to set it up so that we can implement all the functionalities that we want to do with it. This is going to be Wi-Fi 101 to connect to the internet and scan the networks that we're going to be using for this. And the other one is going to be called RTC0 to manage time-triggered events. And once that's set up, we're good to go. So we're going to do the next step right now, which is setting up the board. Now I've done this already, but I'm going to show you how to do it. We want to install Wi-Fi 101 and RTC0 to connect to the internet and scan the networks and to manage time-triggered events. So we want to download them from the library manager. So we're going to go to our Arduino IDE. You don't need to do anything, you just connect your Arduino and open the IDE. And once it's connected, you go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and then you search for what you want. So if you want Wi-Fi 101, here it is, and mine's grayed out because it's already installed, but if you haven't installed it, you just click install and it installs extremely quickly. And you select your version. I already installed the latest version by default, and it should show that. And then you do the same with RTC0, and there really shouldn't be any other version to select from, and yes, there. So once you do that, they're both installed and you're ready to go for the next stage. So that's the end of the video. If you liked this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Tell me what you liked about this video. Tell me what you didn't like. If you didn't, share this around. There's my Instagram in the bio where I go through a lot of things on here and I post general stuff. Go to my Twitter. I'm going to start using that again. Well, start properly for the first time. And more videos with Arduino will be coming soon. And there are going to be a few other videos here and wherever else if you want to check them out. So until next time, bye.